Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: iPhone on iOS 15 or later, and an Apple ID signed in. Next, open the App Store and install the VPN app you selected. Pick one with no logs and AES 256 encryption because that protects your traffic. Once installed, tap to launch and sign in with your account or redeem a promo. Make sure notifications and background app refresh are enabled so the VPN can maintain the tunnel when you switch apps. Now you configure both the app and the iPhone VPN profile. When the app asks, allow it to add a VPN configuration. This creates a system-level tunnel. Inside the app, enable the kill switch to stop traffic if the VPN drops and pick a server close to you for speed or a specialty server for streaming or P2P. Once done, check Settings General VPN to confirm the profile is active. Make sure Wi-Fi Assist and Location Services settings won't leak data unintentionally. To finish, tap Connect in the VPN app and watch for the VPN icon in the status bar. This means system routing is active. Then verify your public IP and that DNS requests are protected using a quick Safari check. You should see the VPN provider's IP. If connectivity fails, restart the app, switch to another server, and toggle the VPN profile in settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if apps still leak, enable the app's DNS leak protection and reapply the kill switch, then reconnect.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.